Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for some solar lights to put around my above-ground pool, and I didn't want the same old lights that all the neighbors have. I wanted something beautiful and that would stand out, and I definitely found them with these beautiful solar lights. These lights definitely add some sparkle to my pool area. They look beautiful during the daytime, but at nighttime they have the soft flickering of torch lights, and it makes a beautiful, mesmerizing glow. I love the intricate design on it. It makes them look beautiful when the sun is up, and it puts on a beautiful show when the sun goes down. The solar panel on top is strong enough to collect the sunlight even on cloudy days, and the solar light will continue to light up until the morning. They are very easy to put together right out of the box. They came nicely packaged so you don't have to worry about anything being broken, and then you simply twist on the post and they're ready for showtime. So whether you're looking to add a little beauty to your garden, your walkway, your porch area, or your pool, then these beautiful lights are going to make all the neighbors jealous. And that's my point of view.